In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install a sediment trap on a water heater. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the gas supply off. Now we're going to remove our supply line from our nipple. Once you do that, we're going to remove our nipple. You're going to want to install your sediment trap in this position. Here I applied my gas Teflon tape to my little nipple. Make sure when you apply the tape that you wrap it around at least minimally 3 times around the threading. You don't have to over tighten it, you don't have to over torque it, just nice and snug will do. Properly install your sediment trap, you always want to make sure that this bottom portion is downstream of your gas supply coming in. To install our nipple. Here I hand tighten just barely so I can get the supply line onto the thread on this nipple. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up my gas supply line just a little to remove any air, and you can hear the gas coming out. Doing this, I'm just bleeding out any air that may be in the lines. This will just help the pilot to light up faster. Do that, just open your supply line all the way. What we're going to do is we're going to put some gas leak detector basically on all the joints here where the connections were made, just to make sure that we do not have any leaks. Put a rag right underneath where we're going to be testing our connections. Basically what we're doing, we're just going to take some of our leak detector, we're going to go right around where we make connections, just to make sure there are no leaks. If there was a leak, you would see a bubbling, pretty significant bubbles. You can't miss it. So right now we have ensured that there are no leaks. Now we're going to light our pilot to our water heater. If it was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.